Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the countdown sales section. The countdown sales section allows you to display a countdown timer for promotions, sales, and limited time offers, helping create urgency and encourage purchases. It's a great way to highlight special campaigns and motivate customers to take action before time runs out. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the countdown sales section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the countdown sales section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Professional Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the countdown sale section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Countdown Sale, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Match the countdown sales section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with CTA blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each CTA block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. Next, click on the countdown block and open the countdown settings. The fixed time option allows you to set a specific end date and time for your countdown campaign. Once the countdown reaches this date and time, it will expire automatically. You can also enable infinite minutes. When this option is used, the countdown will automatically restart after reaching 0, creating a repeating timer for ongoing promotions and evergreen campaigns. In the infinite minutes field, enter the number of minutes you would like the countdown to run before restarting. When infinite minutes is enabled, all fixed time settings will be ignored. You can customize the day's label text that appears above the day's value in the countdown timer. You can customize the minutes label text that appears above the minutes value in the countdown timer. You can customize the hours label text that appears above the hours value in the countdown timer. You can customize the seconds label text that appears above the seconds value in the countdown timer. The expired message field allows you to customize the message displayed when the countdown reaches 0 and expires. Enable Hide on Expired to automatically hide the countdown block once the timer has ended. This helps keep your storefront clean and prevents expired promotions from being displayed to customers. And that's it. Your countdown sales section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.